Making delicious vegan peanut butter cookies is easy and requires just a few simple ingredient swaps. The key is to replace the traditional butter and eggs with plant-based alternatives that provide the necessary fat, moisture, and binding properties. Key vegan ingredients. Vegan butter. Use a plant-based butter or a solid, neutral-flavored oil like coconut oil. These provide the rich, buttery flavor and texture. Egg substitute. There are several easy options to replace the egg, which acts as a binder and leavening agent. Flax egg or chia egg. Mix 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed or chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water. Let it sit for 5-10 minutes until it forms a gel-like consistency. This is a very common and effective substitute for cookies. Mashed banana or applesauce. Use about 1/4 cup of mashed ripe banana or unsweetened applesauce per egg. These add moisture and sweetness, so you might want to slightly reduce the sugar in your recipe. Store-bought egg replacer. There are powdered egg replacers available at most grocery stores and online. Follow the package instructions for the correct ratio. Dairy-free milk. Instead of cow's milk, use any non-dairy milk like almond, soy, oat, or cashew milk. Easy vegan peanut butter cookie recipe. This is a simplified recipe that uses common vegan ingredients. Ingredients: 1 cup, 250 g, smooth peanut butter, creamy works best. 1 cup, 200 g, granulated sugar. 1/2 cup, 112 g, vegan butter or soft coconut oil. 1 flax egg, 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed plus 3 tablespoons water. 1½ cups, 190 g, all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1 tablespoon non-dairy milk, optional for moisture. Instructions. Prepare the flax egg. In a small bowl, mix the ground flaxseed and water. Set it aside for 5-10 minutes to thicken. Preheat. Oven. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Cream. Wet ingredients. In a large bowl, use an electric mixer to cream together the sugar and vegan butter until light and creamy. Add the peanut butter and the prepared flax egg and mix until well combined. Combine dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and baking powder. Mix dough. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix until a thick, crumbly dough forms. At this point, you may need to mix by hand. If the dough seems too dry and is not coming together, add 1 tablespoon of non-dairy milk at a time until it's a consistency you can roll into balls. Form and bake. Roll the dough into balls and place them on the prepared baking sheet. Use the back of a fork to flatten each ball and create the classic crisscross pattern. Bake. Bake for 10-12 minutes for a softer cookie or up to 15 minutes for a crispier cookie. The cookies will be soft when they come out of the oven, but will firm up as they cool. Cool. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your delicious homemade vegan peanut butter cookies.